How to block program on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. In menu, go to settings. In settings, go to system. In system, go to parental control. Here in parental control, you can create the pin first. For my example, I set into 1111. And after that, you can confirm it. Enter again the pin 1111. And now you can see here the parental control, the locks, and on the right side of this you can see the switch button. So you can enable first the locks to block the program. So you can see here the program block. Okay, here certain program are blocked when you activate the parental control settings. Okay, you can go to this and select from this option. So the program block is set into none. You can set into below 10, below 12, below 14, below 16, or below 18. For my example, I set into below 14. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully blocked the program on Devant Smart TV.